Today we are making an cozy and delicious veggie pot pie perfect for a comforting meal. The filling is creamy, full of flavor and wrapped in a rustic homemade dough. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Enjoy your meal.